Hello everyone, welcome back to Angel's Connection channel. Learn to read and speak English. Today we will see a short story named as The Mouse and the Pencil. Let us start. One day a little mouse was looking for something to eat. He found a pencil. "I am going to bite you," said the mouse, and he bit it hard. "You are hurting me," said the pencil. "Let me draw you one last picture and then you can do what you like." "Very well," said the mouse. The pencil drew a big circle. "Is that a cheese?" asked the mouse. "We will call it a cheese," said the pencil. And it drew 3 little circles inside the big one. "That's an apple," exclaimed the mouse. "Let's call it an apple," said the pencil. And it began drawing some funny curved things near the second circle. "Why, those are cucumbers," said the mouse, licking his lips. "I wish you'd hurry. I simply can't wait to get my teeth into them." The pencil drew 2 little triangles on the top circle. "Oh, oh," exclaimed the mouse. "Now you have made it like a cat. Don't go on." But the pencil went on till it had drawn a long whiskers and a mouth on the top circle, and the mouse cried out in terror, "It's real a cat. Help." Don't forget to subscribe this channel if you think it's useful. Thank you.